Thank you, Nurse Ventura. I'm using this key that you gave me. Tara. You wanted to be wala naman tayo ng ganito sa Pilipinas. Ayan. I recently tried as well doing bread or baking bread. Lala mo to. Ay, si Mang Tomas. Nag-hi sa'yo. This is Odyssey. Welcome back to Nurse Odyssey channel. Taran! I know this is one of your requests, and honestly, I was hesitant at first to do this kasi whenever I hear about house tour, what I have in mind is walk-in closet, bag collection, shoe collection. No, kung wala naman ang ganun si ate girl. But here's the realistic homey vibe and sharing tips then as a couple living in Germany. Number one, this is important, no, when moving. No. Pack a month or two before talagang mag-start ka na, girl. Oh my God, ang ganda ng rose, no? Ask as well the benefits from your employer. Kasi kung ang reason ng pag-move mo is because of work, then maybe meron sila ng premi that will help you with your umsugskosten. For me, for example, I was able to get some help from them. Kung magtatrabaho po ako sa inyo, willing po ako magtrabaho sa inyo, basta po meron kayo ng premi for umsugskosten. Ayan. Di ba malaking bagay yun? Also check mga umsug service sa Kleinanzeigen or eBay. I will provide you again the link sa description box. Madali silang kausap, but you have to organize which day, anong oras, kasi what they want is to be effective and efficient as possible. Ito yung price, ito yung isisingil namin, yung address mo kung saan kukunin yung mga mobile, and ano yung seal address. Saturday, 9 a.m. punct. Ganun. And to be honest, sobrang stressful pag nag-move ka, no? Especially if you're living abroad. Kasi kung sa Pilipinas, naku naman, may isang barangay kang kakilala ng kaibigan mo, mga kapitbahay mo, na pwedeng tumulong sa'yo. Pero the reality is, pag andito ka sa abroad, talaga naman, mangilan-ngilan lang yung kakilala mo, ay baka duty pa, ay baka toxic sa work. So you have to at least tell your friends month or 2 months in advance para talagang makapag-wunsch fry sila at nang matulungan ka sa pag-move mo. If not, huwag ka ding magtampo. Accept the fact na you are here abroad alone and may mga bagay na gagawin mo talaga na may mga bagay na gagawin mo na talagang all by myself. Iyak mo na lang yung stress. Part yan ng pag-move. Naku, so let's go ahead and start. Start tayo sa floor. Okay, so we choose this closet, no, dito sa floor kasi mas mahaba yung space kesa dun sa bedroom. Dito tayo. So this is our DIY. Wow, DIY. Huwag mo nang pansinin yun. Kita mo yun. May papel na kailangan tapunin si ate girl mamaya pag lumabas. So ay mamaya na yun. So we choose this DIY closet, no, sa IKEA. Kami yung pumili how inside would look like, ano yung color, blah blah. I will give you the links sa description box below if you're also interested. Ate girl, paano nyo naman binbuild yung closet na to? Oh my God, girl. If yung mga small shrunks, no, halimbawa yung shoe cabinet dito, kami yung nag-build nito also sa banyo, whatever. Pero yung ganitong pangmalakihan ay hindi kaya ng energy ni ate girl. Kasi I know for sure na it will take us around 4 to 6 hours para ma-build ang shrunk na to. So, what we did, again, eBay, Kleinanzeigen, montage service, and nakahanap kami ng magbe-build ng closet. He's also working sa IKEA. So, it only took him 2 hours para i-build to. Sa isip-isip ko, worth it naman yung overtime ko. Willing naman akong ibayad dyan. We paid 150 euro for it. Pero pag uwi ko, no, ay, na-build na yung closet. Hindi na ako na-stress. So maybe it's also an option for you. Keys. Thank you, Nurse Ventura. I'm using this key that you gave me. Very smart sila when it comes sa mga security key system. Kasi isang susi lang, this would already work sa lahat. Dito sa apartment, dun sa keller, dun sa Mülheimer. Talagang isang susi lang. So, problemado ka pag nawala yung susi mo. Naku talaga. Let's go to CR! 7, 2, wala naman masyado dito, girl. Taran! I do love this lamp. So I got this from Amazon. It was the same lamp that I had dun sa previous kong apartment, no? So ayun, we just put it here as well. So dito, nothing fancy. Mirror, tissue, taran. Very important dito, no? Girl, panlinis. Just so that it would be easy for us na pagtapos ka ng mag-shower, diretsuhin mo nang i-wipe. Makintab ang paligid. Charot. Same thing, I like lighting up candles kasi yung stress mo sa labas, wag na wag mong papupuntahin dito sa bahay. You deserve na pag nasa bahay ka, no, na mag-slow down ka, hindi ka halikaga, and talagang kalmado ka. But you have to set up that environment to support you. Let me show you, girl, yung kagandahan ng lamp na to, no? So, depende sa mood mo, ganyan. So, halimbawa, pero ayoko yung fluorescent lamp. Parang ganun na yung ilaw dun sa hospital. Wag naman ng ganun. Dito tayo sa lang, kalmado, ganyan. Hi. Let's go to Bonsima. So let's go to Bonsima. Tan-tararam. So what I love here is yung balcon actually. We also hang our clothes pag nag-laundry kami sa labas para iwas moles pag nandito. Kita mo ako? Okay. I'm very happy yung ganitong window/door kasi talagang ang sarap lalo na pag yung init, no? Talagang naku talaga. Minsan nakatulala lang ako na nandito tapos may kape-kape na parang kahit malamig sa labas, mainit naman dito. Happy na ako dito. We want the Wohnzimmer to be as spacious as possible. Gusto namin ng mas malaking carpet actually, pero wala pa tayo ng budget. So, pinag-iipunan pa namin yung mas couple. If you see the walls are empty kasi parehas kaming takot na if we drill, no? Kasi beton yan, semento talaga yan. Halimbawa, may mga damages sa vonong, no? You have to do your own repair kasi it will just be deducted sa caution mo pag lumipat ulit kayo ng bahay. And we want it to be clean as possible para walang mga damage kami babayaran. We're paying around 1,700 euros per month for this apartment. So it's about 65 quadratmeter. Ayan, dito tayo. So every month, we already put 100 euros. Sorry sa bosses, medyo may ububo si ate girl. Kasi for sure, by the end of the year, meron kaming babayaran dito, no? Like yung reinigong ng building, fence to putsin, security guard, ganyan. It will be summed up by the end of the year and will be divided sa mga tenants na naninirahan or nagre-rent dito nga sa building. Sobrang nakaka-stress. Ayoko nito. Kasi halimbawa, in my old apartment, I was just alone, pero I was paying 400 euros per year. Imaginein mo yun. Sakit sa bangs, ayoko ng ganong stress. And it would be easy for us na mag-save na ng 50 to 100 euro per month para if ever may babayaran kaming nebenkosten, eto na. Save na. So next one, punta naman tayo dun sa kitchen. Ayun, nakita nyo na yan, diba? Ito yung kitchen natin. Dito ako kayo, ha? So, ate girl, question, how do you do po grocery as couple? Ay naku, first month namin, experience namin, no? Ayan na, hindi na isa yung karton ng milk mo, dalawa na. Hindi na isa yung karton ng eggs mo, dalawa na. Ay, napakabigat! Currently, we are using Reve delivery app. So, it's easy for us na mag-grocery. Kasi for example, sa akin, no, halimbawa pauwi ako, nasa bus, nagko-commute. Naku, pwede na ako mag-add to cart so that by Friday, ready na and it will be delivered by Saturday. And then you can definitely check yung Liefertermin, anong oras, blah, blah. And then they deliver with this fan. Ito yung Fantasia, no? So pag nag-deliver sila, ibabalik din namin to. It's around 25 cents per tashe. E di at least, wala ka talagang binayaran sa delivery. When it comes to budgeting, no, every month we put 400 euros each, so around 800 euros for the groceries for the month. Then we do our weekly runs. But for the past few months, I have noticed na ang nagagastos lang namin for groceries is around 600 euros per month. We are steaming some tofu, you can see here. I saw another recipe sa Pinterest na gagayahin na naman ni Ate Girl. Kasi every week, you have to create something na excited ka para, you know, life is exciting. So, let's start with our pantry. Tara! Dati, no, yung mga nakikita ko sa TikTok, whatever, ganyan, na parang when you organize, kailangan aesthetic, whatever. I've been aware earlier about that na hindi ako yung sobrang grabing napabili ng mga organizing hacks. Kasi sa totoo, if you would just organize it like that, mukha namang maayos naman talaga. We are not so big with mga snacks. So wala snacks. Pag pumunta ka dito sa bahay ni Ate Girl, naghanap ka ng dessert. Sorry, wala. But here, so these are my emergency food, tuna, and then mga beans. And then this is our rice, carb section, ganyan. He is doing the protein, pero hindi na akong fan. Ayan, I recently tried as well doing bread or baking bread. This is a good one, satin brot mit nusen. So you can buy this DM sa Rossmann. So it's a good beginner friendly for me. And then this is pasta, noodles, wala masyado, ganyan. And then for a German household, you have normally this kind of kitchen. Wala naman tayo ng ganito sa Pilipinas. For our household baka mayaman kayo sa Pilipinas, for sure. Kilala mo na yan. Parang pag first time mo sa Germany, tapos your household, your apartment has like that, parang, hulo, pwede na ako ding mag-bake. Oh my God. So happy. Wala. Yan. And then dito yung mga condiments na mga pang-Asian. You know that. For your first grocery in Germany, very important. Bumili ka ng toyo, suka. This is suka. Kilala mo to? Ay, si Mang Tomas. Nag-hi sa'yo. Ay, naku! Spices. Hindi mo kailangan bilhin lahat ng spices sa supermarket, Make an inventory kung alin lang talaga yung ginagamit mo. Some of our devices, kitchen devices that we use, yung rice cooker, pag may mga bisita ka, diba? Ang ganda ng warm yung rice na kakainin nyo. Ito naman, mga plates. So, if you notice, dun sa previous house tour ko, sa old apartment ko, di ba, ito na yung mga ginagamit ko. This is a Christmas gift that we received last December. Napakaganda. Yan yung mga ginagamit namin pang meal prep and then pang baon. This is a recent purchase that we did as well last November. Excited ako kumain pag masarap yung kainan. Ganyan. Girl, ready na. That's mapo tofu pala. I'm so excited. Boom! Pag nakakatipid kami sa grocery, we would list down kung ano yung mga ibang priorities pa namin sa bahay so that we would be able to buy it from that fund. One of it as well is when we bought these blinds. Let me show you. So if you can see, sobrang liwanag, diba? So love, meron tayo na extra 200. Bili na tayo ng ganito, ganyan. It's something that you have to talk about as couples area. Pero I also use this for editing vlogs. So ayan. Taran! Now, this is our lagi realm as well. So, hindi pa siya sobrang organized, no? Each of these, no, itong mga fund, ganyan, this would be around 25 cents ba? Naku, minus na din to sa pang-grocery, nga. Pressure cooker, that's one of our investment. Wow, nung Christmas din kasi ayun na nga, host tayo. And all of our materials for cleaning are also here para organize siya. Ganyan. When it comes to tasks too, no, if you're living as couples, naku, it is important that you communicate and share tasks kasi both naman kayo adult, 'di ba? Hindi dahil ikaw yung babae. Paano pag nagkasakit ka? Sino magluluto? Ikaw din. Naku, don't put that stress to yourself. As an adult, no, each individual has to know yung mga adulting skills na to. But of course, meron ng strength and weakness per individual, no? So, halimbawa, si Lovey, for example, very good yan sa rhiningkong ka. Kung ano, may second job ka, best in rhiningkong ka talaga. Ako naman, I'm more into mga organizing, mga fave ko yan. Usually din, ako yung mahilig magluto and then I would ask him to do other tasks. For example, pagtatakbo ng basura, doing laundry, or we also do switch our tasks para hindi stress nga sa isang tao lang. But more than being in a relationship, no, you are also an individual yourself. So you also have to cultivate your own kind of routine. You have to cultivate a relationship with yourself too. So I'm pretty much aware na we are privileged to live in this kind of apartment and mas magaan na yung expense kasi nga dalawa kaming nagtutulungan, hindi na yung ikaw lahat. So there you go, that's our tanan house tour. Thank you so much for being with me today. This has been Odyssey and I'll see you in the next. Cheers!